Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be fully loading the Firestick. This works on all Firesticks except the Select version. This is incredible. I have an updated store with so many applications for free movies, TV shows, sports, and everything else. My store is updated daily, weekly, just to give you all the new updates. I'll show you how to get the store loaded. I'll show you the best code. I'll show you how to set this up from start to finish and enjoy all the content. I'll also show you which specific apps are working for a specific month, and I'll explain everything in detail, and I'll take you through step by step to make sure that everything works. And if there's any blocks or anything like that happening, I'll show you how to do that as well, how to enable the applications to continue streaming. So if you're on your Fire Stick, all you have to do for the first step is go to the gear icon right here. Click on that gear icon and go to My Fire TV or My Device, and then just click inside of there. Now, once you're there, you see I have developer options. If you don't have developer options, don't worry about it. Just click on the About button. Now, click your device name several times, roughly around 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says, no need, you're a developer because I'm a developer. But for you, it's say, congratulations, now you are a developer, okay? Let's click one back and you should see developer options. Now, once you're done that step, you want to press the home button. The next vital step, it's going to be the find button and the search button right here. You want to click inside of that search button and you want to search for an application called Downloader. Now, you can use the Alexa remote or you could just type it in and search for Downloader. Downloader. I opted for the Alexa remote. Okay. Now, once you find that, you'll see the Downloader button right here, the application. These are fake applications, so make sure you don't get these applications, okay? You want to get the one with 667,000 downloads. You want to click on that application, and when you're done, all you want to do is press the download button. Now, that's going to queue and download the downloader application, okay? Now, when this finishes downloading, we're not going to be opening it up. We're just going to let it download. We're going to get a notification, and we're going to press the home button. There's a couple of steps we need to do. So the next step, you want to go to Settings. Then you want to go to My Fire TV or My Device again. And you want to go to Developer Options this time. Once inside, click Install Unknown Apps. And make sure to do the downloader to the on position, just like that. Okay? Now, once you do that, all you want to do is press the Home button. Now, the next necessary step that we need to take, because we're not going to be able to put this store and all these applications onto our Fire Stick. So this is a very vital, necessary step. Go to Find and go to Search, and I'll explain everything in detail. Click inside of the search box in the Amazon store, and you want to type in the following word. One word, so IP vanish. Just like that, one word, IP vanish. Highlight the word IP vanish just like that and click on it. Okay, that's going to show you this VPN, green, black, white icon. You want to click on that, and then you want to click on download. Now, I'll explain everything. What a VPN is going to do is going to get access to the store. Right now, this store is being blocked on Fire Sticks, on Android devices. You cannot go into the store. It won't let you even download the store, and you won't be able to get links and content in some of these applications as they're being blocked and filtered out by internet service providers. So once you download the IP Vanish VPN, all you have to do to get around it, don't worry, I'll guide you through it, and I'll show you the server settings. You have to start up IP Vanish, and when it starts up, you want to click on the login button right there, okay? And you see on my Fire Stick, it says email and password to login. Now, don't scan this barcode. This is strictly for login into IP Vanish if you already have an account. We don't have an account yet, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put my email and password. I'm going to log into my account, but I'll show you how to get your own account. So I'll put this barcode here. I'll put a large barcode here somewhere on the screen that says scan me. Okay, and I'll also put a bit.ly link here. So what this will do, will take you to a page where you can obtain an IP Vanish account with your own email and your own password. Now, this is what's going to happen. When you obtain your own account, you'll be able to log in and you'll be able to set up the servers to use the application store, to use all the applications and unlock all the content that's been filtered out and possibly blocked on your Fire Stick. Now, to do that, simply scan the barcode here or go to this bit link here. Also in the pinned comment description is a clickable link, whatever is easier for you. Now, when you're there, you're going to be on a landing page. And full transparency, there's a fractional cost associated with this, which is $2 and change. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks. And it works on unlimited devices. Through my links here and this barcode, you're going to get 87% off, okay? So you're going to get 87% off for an IPVanish account. It's going to be $2 and change. You're going to be protected. You're going to continuously get updates from my store. You're going to be able to get the newest applications, and you're going to get so much more content for free movies, TV shows, sports, all those sports that have been blocked out, filtered out, all those events that are not working. When you click on them, they're going to be working because I'll show you the server setup to get around that and get all that content, okay? You can pause the video if you want to take care of that. And once you take care of that, you'll go to the landing page of IPVanish. On that landing page, you'll simply just put in your email once you choose your package, create your own password, and then you'll get an email confirmation from IPVanish. Once you get that email confirmation, you simply just have to confirm your email account, and then you'll pop in your email here and pop in your password and press the login button. I'm going to log into mine, and then I'll show you exactly how this is done, okay? So let me log into mine. Pause the video if you need to take care of that, and I'll show you the server setup and how to unlock everything in the next step using IPVanish. What do we need to do exactly in IPVanish to unlock all the content, okay? So now I'm signed into my account. All I have to do, straight off the bat, you want to hit the gear icon right here. You want to say connect on Android startup and turn it to the on position. Just like that, okay? Everything else will stay the same here. You don't have to worry about anything except the VPN protocol, which is WireGuard by default, okay? Now, once you do that, the very important settings, we want to go to this location right there, and we're going to go to countries. And once we're in countries, we want to scroll all the way to the United States, okay? It doesn't matter where in the world you are. You're just going to scroll to the United States. You're going to click on United States. You're going to say favorite United States, puts a star, click on it again, and say connect to United States. Now, once you do that, it's going to pop up with this pop-up. You're going to press the OK button, and that's going to create a VPN access to be able to access the store, to be able to get a lot of content and all that information, okay? So now once you're set up with IPVanish, and you can take advantage of that, I'll leave the barcode here if you haven't done it, okay? Now through my link, you're gonna get 87% off. It's a big discount that you're not gonna find anywhere else, okay? And you can use this on unlimited devices, 20 Fire Sticks in your household, on TV boxes, iPads, Android phones, works all across the board, okay? Let's press the home button and let's proceed to the next step. So now once you've done that step, you want to go and you want to click My Apps and Games, and you want to open it up, and you want to open up the downloader application now. Let's click on that downloader application to open it up. Let's press the OK button. Let's click one up into this yellow field, and you want to pop in the following URL, just exactly like you see it here. Pop in this exactly like you see it, and I'll leave it on the screen as well for your reference. And once you do that, you pop in this code right here, exactly like you see it. Just press that go button right there, okay? That's going to say connecting, and you'll see that I have a little red dot that I can move around. So I'll move that little red dot all the way down here until I reach download APK Android. I'll click on that, and pop-up should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, try clicking on it again, but don't click too many times. And it'll download right away. And then I can press the install button on my application. Press the install button, but don't press the open button. We're going simply to press the done button, okay? Let's do that. Let's press the done button. Okay, now press the delete button, followed by the delete button to delete the actual installation file. Now, once you do that, press the home button. We're almost on our final steps here to get this going. Okay, my settings here. So go to settings, my Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and we're going to turn the unlink to the on position. So always check if you install applications and other things. If in install unknown applications and developer options, if these applications are on, because if they're not on, you're not going to be able to use them or download content in them and to be able to stream content in some of these applications as well. Always do a double check here. Okay, let's press the home button once you're done that. And let's go to My Apps and Games right now, just like that. Okay. Now, once you do that, we're going to open up the unlinked application by clicking on it. Now, when you see this, press the new library, This will blink like that. You want to click inside of this blinking cursor and you want to put in the following code, which is Firestick. Okay, lowercase, no spaces, just the word Firestick, just to make it easy. And this is the most up-to-date store. Okay, press the next button, and that's going to go into the unlinked store. Now what's going to happen, you're going to see this pop-up. I would highly recommend to read the information on this pop-up. It's very important. It's going to give you a lot of info, and it's going to show you what content exactly to use for that month. And I've also updated this list monthly, so you're going to get monthly updates on this list. Take out your phone, take a picture. You'll know exactly what is good and what is happening. So just to keep things in perspective and keep everything without, exposing anything or talking about anything, simply you can just read that screen and you get an idea what is happening in streaming and what should we be doing, okay? Now, when you're done reading that welcome message, simply press the back arrow button to get out. Let's start up Unlinked again. This will take us back into Unlinked, but you'll see New Tech Apps. Click on that New Tech Apps logo, okay? And I'm in Firestick Tools, okay? So I have some things here, but I'm in Firestick Tools, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to install applications, but it's a pretty straightforward process. You can just scroll up and down, left to right, to access all those applications. I have categories for top movies, top TV shows, top live TV, just to scroll up and down away. This is for demonstration purposes. I'm going to show you how to download applications. So this is a very useful application called App Cloner. This is when an app gets blocked or it doesn't work on your Fire Stick and it tells you need to remove it and you can't launch it anymore. You can simply clone it, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. And you can clone any application with this. So let's click on App Cloner. Let's press the download. That's going to download the App Cloner application. You'll see it here. It'll start pulling it in. And then I'll show you Firestick Task Tool. And we're going to clone this application. It will be the same process if you would be cloning anything else on your Fire Stick. So here we're downloading the App Cloner tool. Okay. Give it a minute here. This will pop up. You want to press Install App. Okay, and install it. The screen will flicker and it will go back to the unlinked store and we successfully unlock the application. So that's how easy it is to install things. Firestick tool, okay, we're going to clone this just to show you how the process works. Okay, it's just going to pull that in, install app, press the install application, and that's pretty much done. Okay, now scroll up and down, left to right, like I said, to get more applications. Fully loaded with 60 premium applications. Okay, now if an application updates and you want a new update, all you have to do, I'll show you here. You have to go here, go to settings, clear cache several times like that. And then when you click back to home, you'll have the cleared out applications. Once you exit Unlinked, back and back, it decrypts it and it creates the newest application there. That's how easy it is. Okay, so clear cache will get you that. So now if you go to My Apps and Games, you'll notice that we've installed the App Cloner application and the Task application, Task Manager application. Now let's say one of those movie, TV shows or live TV or sports application was blocked when you ran it like this and it didn't let you open it up. One way around it, just open up App Cloner. I'll show you how to use this application. And for the first time you're doing this, this will pop up with a screen like this. You're going to have to click the middle of the D-pad and press the agree button here. Now once you do that, you'll see that we have some applications here. So let's say this application as an example wasn't working. You would click on it and you would say grant permission, and this you have to do first time only. When you grant permission, you'll notice it goes back to developer options like I told you in an earlier step. So when you click one back and go back to install unknown apps, you'll see App Cloner is in the off position. Remember, they all have to be in the on position. So just click back and turn that on. So now click back and it's going to click back and it's going to go right back into App Cloner again. Okay, so you have to make sure you always turn that on and select the Fast Task application and you will just hit the clone app. This will modify the package and it'll clone the application. Now you can do this with applications that are being filtered out or not allowed to launch on your Fire Stick or being prevented from launching on a Fire Stick, and this will allow your applications to be launched. Okay. Now, it's going to take a minute, but when it completes, it'll ask you to install it. You just press the install button and press the done button. And you can see now we have two versions. We have this one would be working because it's a clone. It changes some information. So you're able to run this on your Fire Stick now if that occurs in the future. Now, not to be confused, because if I hit the home screen now and I go to my Firestick home, I would have these two applications. I wouldn't know which one's which. So it tells you this is the clone. This is the working one now. So we go to the one that doesn't say clone right off the bat when we do that. And I'm just going to uninstall it for simplicity reasons. And I would press OK. And I would uninstall the application. So now when I hit the home, I would only have the clone. So if I go to my apps and games, and you'll notice here, I would have the clone application. Okay. Now, this, you can go back to the Unlinked store at any times to get the updates and applications. I showed you how to do that to clear the cache and get all that. Now, for this entire process, I had the VPN on. Please protect yourself. Don't take a risk streaming. This, you can use one account on unlimited devices. If you scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link, also in the pinned comment description is a clickable link, you're going to get 87% off, okay? So you can see for this entire process for 8 minutes, I was connected to a VPN. It's very fast. I was doing everything while connected to the VPN. So this will get you more updates, more links, and it will let you get all the updates from my store, because it's always there and it's always available. As long as you're connected, you get those. And as long as you have the server set up to a US server, you'll be able to download all those applications. If you haven't taken advantage, please scan this. Go to the barcode or scan this. This will give you 87% off. It's like a Starbucks. No, I think Starbucks is more expensive. It's like a latte a month, $2 and change. This is how much it's going to cost you. And I use this on like 20 Fire Sticks at home. You can use this on unlimited devices. It works wonderfully well, and it works very, very good, okay? And you can only get that discount through my affiliate link here, because I went back and forth with IPVanish, and I wanted to get the best price for my subscribers, okay? So you're going to get the best price through this link right here, a barcode, okay? Now, like I said, you can go back to the Unlinked store at any time here, okay? And you can continue getting applications, okay? So this kind of concludes how to fully load the Fire Stick, how to get it going. I hope this helped you out. Let me know in the comments if some apps doesn't work. I'll fix those apps right away. I get on these things super fast, and I try to fix them as fast as I can. This is the only video that you're gonna see on YouTube that actually works when you do your Fire Stick. There's a lot of stuff that's floating around and AI generated stuff that's really just garbage, and it's not gonna help you out in any way. This video, I take it slow, I take it step by step, and if anything is wrong, comment below. I haven't put a pin lock in my store yet, but some people have been knocking off my content or just linking into the apps directly into my store, and they haven't given me any credit or nothing like that. You know, they're just bluntly doing it. So if I do put a 4-digit pin, the only people that are going to know is my subscribers. So all you have to do to get the 4-digit pin, if I do put it in the future, is subscribe to this video, hit the bell icon for notification right now, and also drop a little short comment below, just like, I'm from Detroit, I like bagels, I like biscuits, I like crumpets, whatever it is. I like bacon, whatever it is. I like chicken. My favorite sports team is the Pittsburgh. My favorite team is the Dolphins. Whatever it is, my basketball team, my favorite player, LeBron. I'm just throwing out random stuff, but just make any comment you want, or just say hello to me, or just say pin lock in the comments below. And then I'll drop the 4-digit pin if I ever do implement that. You'll be right underneath this video. I'll reply one by one to every single comment, because I do read the comments with the new pin lock. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it worked out for you. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. Just subscribe, comment, like, bell icon, and share my video. That'd be wonderful if you shared it with your friends and family. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care.